Hello again. Today we're going to be writing a word with the letter I, capital I. This word is not a proper noun, but we want to practice the capital letter I and join in it with other letters. So let's go ahead and begin. Find the midpoint of your line. Write your capital I. Touch slant up. Walk around, and when you reach here, you're going to continue. We're going to go straight into the letter C, come back around, and into the letter E. So we just wrote the word ice. Now I want you to go ahead, and I'm going to show you it 2 more times, and then you're going to fill up your entire page writing this word for me. So find the midpoint, slant up, come down, touch the line, slant up, down, straight into letter C. You're not going to let it go. And into E, ice. One more time. Midpoint of the line, slant up, make it pointy, come down, touch that line, slant up, loop around, down, straight into letter C and E. Ice. So go ahead, at least give me 3 on each line. Give me an entire page. For the people that are skipping the top, please don't do that. Give me an entire page. Give me at least 3. If you can fit more than 3, that's good. Send me a picture of this today. Bye.